Okay.
4th of July, bananas.
Banana.
Bananas and nanas.
Go, Mateo.
Okay, you want to try something?
Maddie. Mateo. Bananas. Bananas.
Bananas. Uh-oh. Here you go. Try that.
Ooh.
What did you think?
Interesting. Interesting. Did you taste them, Mommy?
They did. I did. They're good.
Get a little closer to him because I can either get you or him. There we go.
You like it? Oh, yes. You love it very much. Look at him reaching for that spoon.
Go for those nanas.
That's it. So chewing. Here you go. Ooh. He loves it.
Going for the bananas.
Ready? You ready for a little more? Give it a try. Come on.
How is it, Maddie? Is it good? Maddie.
Mateo,
Maddie.
you want any more? Any more? I don't think he wants any more. I think he likes it, but then he doesn't want any more. He's not opening his mouth. Very
More?
well.
Okay. And the banana odyssey.
And the banana odyssey. Nope.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see. What's that?
Sounds like he falls on the spoon.
Yeah. Okay, Matt.
Okie dokie.
That was hard work. Ooh, tricked you.
What a mess. Not making it any better.
Oh, good boy. Good boy. Okay,
Okay.
that's it.
That's all.
That's all. That's all there is. Show's over, folks.